Welcome to Boa Vista in Cape Verde. Boa Vista in Portuguese means good view. It is the third largest island of the Cape Verde archipelago and is located in the Atlantic Ocean, where the local language is Portuguese.
We're staying on the southern tip of the island at Riu Touareg. It's about a 40-minute drive from the capital and airport of Sealife.
We filmed this first thing in the morning, but it does get very busy later on. We upgraded to the adults only section, which is well worth it if you like a quieter holiday.
We dive with Cabo Verde diving in Sealife, a total of 8 different dive sites. You will find a link to Cabo Verde diving and all the dive sites in the information below.
Our dive guides were very welcoming and tried their best to find sharks for us, even going to the more hardcore dive sites. Unfortunately, the sharks weren't playing ball, so we didn't get to see them on this occasion. However, we did spot a wild shark on the surface. The water was pristine and there was an abundance of fish and marine life to see, from stingrays to snappers, moray eels to lobsters. One thing we also noticed was the lack of plastic, which is great to see compared to other places we've dived. best dive sites for sharks and manta rays are on the south, but they're not currently visited because of the waves. They are planning on building a jetty, so hopefully the dive sites can be visited in the future. Cape Verde is a great place to visit if you're looking for a relaxing holiday. The food is very good and the people are so friendly and welcoming. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe and press the bell to be notified of all our future videos.